Lesson 2 Overview. Although it might be practical to assign permissions and abilities to individual user accounts in small networks, this becomes impractical and inefficient in large enterprise networks. For example, if many users need the same level of access to a folder, it is more efficient to create a group that contains the required user accounts and then assign the required permissions to the group. As an added benefit, you can change users' file permissions by adding or removing them from groups rather than editing the file permissions directly. Before you implement groups in your organization, you must understand the scope of various Windows Server group types. In addition, you must understand how to use group types to manage access to resources or to assign management rights and abilities. Objectives. After completing this lesson, you will be able to describe group types, describe group scopes, explain how to implement group management, manage group membership by using group policy, describe default groups, describe special identities, manage groups in Windows Server.